All right, now we're going down the stairs. First floor. As you can tell, all kinds. We got honey here. And all kinds of jewelry here. The silver gallery. You got paintings over here. All kinds of fun stuff. Kilt towels. Kilt towels. WDG buy. Beetle. What?
Easier to carry.
Yep.
Rice apples. How do you mean that? Rice apples.
Oh yeah. Yep. No. Totes are us, looks like. The younger generations, they call it.
Oh, that was the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Need a garbage can.
Now these things.
If you're doing it inside the ribbon, you can't. You've got to do it out there. It won't show you. Oh no.
Did you have television?
The version, yes. I know what you're thinking.
These sister bows, all kinds of bows. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that was a little spicy.
Yeah, didn't like that. I wasn't expecting that.
So that's the bonus. So it makes it a 9-piece set today, $60, $2 $400. And you
Yeah.
see, Tim, we do have a list. I know you like it, but you don't want to carry it around. You don't have to carry it around. You put your name on our list, and that way you can just come back and get it.
Pineapple, please. Thank you. Very good. That's what it's fun to do. So your personality is a parasite. Longevity cockroach. What?
Huh?
What?
What flavor did you get?
Pineapple.
Oh yeah, it's
It's
good.
good. Sleep Number. They're downtown Minneapolis. Give away back scratchers. Sign up. Got the head and go to the bathroom if you need to go. Uh-huh. Names on rings. Bacon. Some of this stuff just, I don't know, it's got no rhyme or reason to it. Made in Texas. Love the mutt you're with. Huh. Salsa. Anytime there's free food, there's gonna be a long line. Another cutting tool here.
Mom had one in the top of the garage.
More jewelry. Amber gift shop. So there's the.
It has extendable handles for doing trees and even stuff
Cutting the
down
wood.
below.
I think it was for the year.
They're not open to all, ask for assistance. All right. All kinds of fun stuff. Oh, I can see a Pomeranian over there.
I have a set of these. Bruce brought me from Russia.
Yeah.
There's like 5 of them in here.
Right?
Mine's
Yep.
not this big, but I
Right.
have a real tiny. The little one is like this big. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
It's made with a proprietary non-stick coating, so it makes any purpose of doing non-stick surface. That's the great thing about this. Now with this, as you see, it dovetails all the way around. So it locks in the flavor, and no dishes whatsoever tonight. That's my dishes. Reusable. This place is 50 rolls of cartridge. Right now, you'll get years of use. My baking room is currently 6 years old.
Furniture. What was that scam about? What was that scam about? Oh, okay. So now we get in the cords you can hang yourself. If you want to do. Look at these things. My God. Jesus. You can tell. Lots of people.
I
Got a nice grill there.
I haven't seen our furniture store.
Yeah, show my fans, I'll show Chef.
All right.
Gonna get lost on phone share.
This is the little gadget place right here. All kinds of weird stuff.
Look at this big, whatever these are called.
Yep. Emergency poncho. Oh, yeah. All kinds of fun stuff. Gadgets galore. All kinds of fun stuff. More and more. There every year. Tweezers over here. Now you can.
Camera, where'd you get that?
What?
Where'd you get that little camera?
I got it online. It's a DJI.
Is it expensive or?
Yeah, they're like $300, $400. They're nice. Yep.